Hey, it's Jory. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a very fun, local gin-based BC coastal cocktail. Let's dive in. We're going to start by adding 6 blackberries to our tin and give it a quick muddle. Then we're going to add 3/4 ounce of seaweed syrup to the tin. This is going to add some nice salinity, bring that kind of ocean spray vibe to the cocktail. Then we're going to move on to some fresh lemon juice. We're doing 3/4 ounce as well. And then on to our beautiful local gin. We're gonna add 1.5 ounces of Empress Indigo Gin. And we're gonna add some ice and shake it up. It's got this gorgeous color. We're gonna add some ice to our glass, and we're gonna double strain this over. Give it a few taps. Got lots of little berry bits in there. And we're gonna garnish this with a blackberry skewer and a little piece of seaweed. This is a very fun cocktail. Don't be too scared of the seaweed. It's very subtle. You get a little bit on the front and then it's all blackberry after that. I think this is a great representation of some of the flavors of BC, so definitely give it a try. And for Empress, as always, you can grab that at your local BCL.